Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. Students, today we will talk about the concept of acids and bases. So let us begin. So the concept of acids and bases is mainly very broad, and we have many definitions of acids and many definitions of bases. So there is not just one definition pertaining to acids and bases both. So let us learn them one by one. So the first concept is Arrhenius concept. That is, this definition was given by Arrhenius. So this concept is called Arrhenius concept. And this is called classical concept also, because classical means something which is very old. So these are the old kind of definitions proposed for the first time, you may say. And acids are those substances, according to this concept, these are those substances which can donate H positive ions in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, the substances which produce H positive ion are called acids, and it includes various mineral acids, H2SO4, like your nitric acid, like your HCl, mineral acids, and your organic acids also, like acetic acid, your formic acid, your HCN, your hydrogen fluoride, etc. So all these substances, when water is added to them, they dissociate. Like H2SO4, when water is added to it is going to give us two hydrogen ions along with sulfate ions. So this sulfuric acid has tendency to form H positive ions, thus it is an acid. Likewise, the other substances may also be dissociated to produce one of the ion as H positive ion. Now let us start with the bases. So according to this definition, base is something which can donate OH negative ions or produce OH negative ions, that is hydroxide ions, when water is added to them. And it includes your hydroxides like NaOH, KOH, ammonium hydroxides, your other metallic hydroxides, magnesium hydroxides, aluminium hydroxides, etc. Okay, so these are the two definitions given by Arrhenius for the first time. And let us begin with the second concept now. Second concept says, that was given by Bronsted and Lowry. Both were two different scientists. So they again gave and quoted definitions of acids and bases, and according to them, acid is something which can donate proton. Now what is proton? Proton they called H positive as proton. Now H positive ions को ही उन्होंने proton बोला था. क्यों बोला था? Because in H positive ion there is just one proton present. So they named hydrogen ions as proton. So something which can donate, again the meaning of donate is which can produce those substances which can produce H positive ions or donate protons, they are called acids. Whereas bases is the opposite of it, that is substances which can accept H positive ions or protons are called bases. I hope this much is clear. Okay, so let's begin with one more example. Suppose we are doing a reaction between Bronsted acid. Bronsted acid means what the substances which are acids according to this definition, and when Bronsted acid react with Bronsted base, I mean which are bases according to this definition. So we are going to this have an equilibrium in between, and we are getting the product. Let us check what are the products formed. So let us take the example of Bronsted acids. So Bronsted acids are firstly, let me tell you, these are the same as Arrhenius acid. That is something which can donate proton or H positive ions. It means HCl, when it gets dissociated, it is going to give us H positive ions. Again, it is Bronsted acid. So Bronsted base may there is an example ammonia. Like ammonia has a tendency to accept, like ammonia when combines with H positive ions, so it is going to form ammonium ions. So ammonia act as Bronsted base. So here we are doing an example reaction between HCl and ammonia, that is one is Bronsted acid and other is Bronsted base. So we are going to have the conversion of HCl will be into Cl negative, and ammonia gets converted into NH4 positive, right? So as you see, the Bronsted acid has been converted into Cl negative. Now Cl negative can again combine with H positive to form HCl. So this Cl negative has tendency to accept proton now. It can accept proton. That means Cl negative can be called as Bronsted base. अब इसको हम Bronsted base बोल सकते हैं. Likewise, ammonium ion can again lose one H positive to form ammonia again. So now, so it can act as Bronsted acids. Ammonia gets converted into ammonium ions and HCl gets converted into Cl negative ions. That means we are obtaining Bronsted base out of Bronsted acid, and Bronsted base is giving us Bronsted acid. HCl ने हमें दे दिया Cl negative and ammonia ने हमें दे दिया है product में NH4 positive. So if HCl is Bronsted acid, your Cl negative is Bronsted base, and if ammonia is Bronsted base, ammonium ion is Bronsted acid. ठीक है? So it means we are getting two pairs. So we are getting two pairs as a result. So these are called conjugate acid base pairs. So if a reaction occurs between Bronsted acid and Bronsted base, so we are getting two pairs. So we are getting two pairs here, जिनको हम बोलेंगे conjugate acid base pair. So conjugate acid base pair. Okay, and this is pair number 1, and again we have conjugate acid base pair number 2. So in the above reaction, if you are asked to find out the pair, so HCl and Cl negative is one pair, and ammonium ion is second pair. Okay, so these are two pairs known as conjugate acid base pair. Okay, if you are taking acid, it is going to get converted into base, and if you are taking base, it is going to get converted into acid. Okay, so let us finish our video up till this. Now in the next video, I'll be taking up the third concept of acids and bases, that is Lewis concept. Thank you for watching the video, and do like the video. Thank you.